did not prepare my masa paste. How am I going to make my masa? I don't know how the process rice again. My mom surprised me telling me that we're going to cook for our neighbors. Oops, I bumped myself, guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I was supposed to actually wake up and start this vlog like 6ish. I slept off and I happened to wake up at 11. Did not prepare my masa paste. So when I got into the kitchen, I was like, wow, let's get into this. So I'm basically going to be doing masa today. That's the only thing I know for sure we're going to have for iftar. Any other thing I don't really know yet, but I'll anyhow bring it so you guys see. For my masa, I soaked my rice overnight. I really don't know how to make masa without tuwo. I just feel like it won't work for me, so I always have to do my tuwo first. You can see tuwo is literally just the soft cooked rice, using this type of rice, of course. So this is my rice, soaked it overnight, and you can see how different it looks because it's soaked and it looks more soft. My masa paste is done now. You can see how smooth it looks. Aside this grains, you can see this is from the rice itself. I don't know how they process rice again. So guys, this is how the tuwo looks. I'm going to be adding more because I feel like it's still not soft yet. Yeah, it's a little bit hard, so I'll add a little bit more water, then wait for it to cook. And this is how we basically put tuwo in my house. Like, it has to be really soft. It doesn't like too much water, it has to be really soft. Anyway, I'm going to take out part of what I want to use for the masa and let it cool down before mixing it to my batter. Let it cool down like completely, else when you put the hot tuwo inside the masa, the whole thing will cuddle into one and you end up with rubbish. Wow. Time is about 1:01ish. I just want to pray Zuhur, then head back to the kitchen and finish up all the mini works I need to do. So guys, I just finished praying and I'm just about to head back into the kitchen, but my mom surprised me telling me that we're going to cook for our neighbors because they literally just moved to our estate, like the next house beside our house. So we kind of know some people that know them, and my mom just wants us to cook for them, to welcome them. I don't know what we're making. She made the plan, so I think you see a lot of us in the kitchen. It's going to be me, my sister, my mom, that. And oh, this is my filming section. This is where everything happens, guys. Let's get back to the kitchen.
So we're grilling chicken. This is the whole chicken we're going to grill.
Why are you fighting with the chicken?
Right here. This is my street, Zuleika.
You better run it. I'm going to be taking out all the leftovers from yesterday's iftar and see what I can revamp. And yeah, basically anything I can revamp, I'll be using that. So from the leftovers of yesterday, my sister made these yam balls,
Scrumptious
and it was really nice. So we're about to make it again. Guys, this is all the food we left for yesterday. I'm packing it to give it out.
Go!
Guys, see this yam. There can be this vlog they are making. Somebody will think Vexava and China, but they don't know Gargajian. You guys post yam. Which one is Gargajia?
You sabi.
For sure now. You guys, this girl makes like one of the best semovita ever. Ooh, semovita can because I really like semo. This girl, why you lying? I'm not lying. It's funny how like we started learning how to cook at a very young age. Because I started when I was 10 now, just one. The first food I knew was spaghetti. Exactly. Spaghetti, and I think that's why I have like a really cool connection with spaghetti, pasta. Like, for me myself, I started cooking like much when we went to university first year. That's when I You had no other option now. Who will be cooking for you? I'm going to add salt and sugar. So we always do this when we're boiling yam in my house. Add a little bit of sugar to give it all the spice and all that.
Yam don't do.
Yam don't do. I prayed like this. So remember I told you guys my neighbors just moved into their house. They literally just came to see us, and I tied my hair while I was in the kitchen. I had to tie my hair when I was stepping out. Once they were gone, I decided to pray Asr, and here we have a turban on my head while praying. I literally look like a Yoruba girl. I can't see your face though.
That's good.
So guys, I just stepped out. My sisters have gone to my neighbor's house now, and I'm literally just taking fresh air. I cannot remember the last time I stepped out of this door. I can't remember. Anyway, that's about it. Oh, that's a parrot, guys. Hi Myra. Hi Myra. So guys, I couldn't record this, but I basically used the stock in the chicken and more pepper, like extra Maggi one, and basically have this sauce. This is how the masa looks. It did not rise. I added sugar, I added a little bit of potash, I added 1 egg. This is the second batch, and this is how it looks. Soft. Guys, this masa looks legendary. It looks like masas that I've been eating since I was little. That's what it looks like, guys. This is so cute. My sister's kudun shinkafa is looking good as well. Like guys, we're done with all that we need to do. All that. So guys, I'm ending this vlog right here. It's past 6 already. I'm all set to pray. Don't talk about my turban. I'm not taking this off. I loved this vlog. If you like to see more Ramadan vlogs and some certain things I know how to cook and you want to know how to cook as well, or you want me to try, please leave me a comment, let me know. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you turn on your post notifications so that whenever I post, you see it, you get notified, you know. Also make sure you share this video. Share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you guys in my next videos. Bye guys.